How to fix zero matches on Hinge after months of activity. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can solve zero matches on Hinge even after months of activity. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you've been using Hinge app for a prolonged period of time, but you're still not getting enough likes or matches, now, for this, first of all, it is important to reflect on your own profile. Are you attractive, or are you uploading some type of attractive photos or not? And just make sure that you upload them properly and that it is quite tempting for the other person to swipe on you. So you can run it as a social experiment as well. The other thing is that if you're not following the guidelines from Hinge, so you might want to complete all of the profile details that is mentioned over here, and you can simply choose to basically date or do whatever else it is that you prefer. So you can just type in everything that you prefer in this case. Now, after you've done that, what you could also possibly do is you can try to upgrade to Hinge Premium. So Hinge also purposefully sometimes does this, so maybe sometimes they might think that users might want to upgrade to Premium, so hopefully they can get more amount of money, and you can try to run these features like boost. You can get seen by more people, you can get likes over there, and so on. So these are the ways on how you can hopefully solve if you have months of inactivity on Hinge. That's all for this video. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.